go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run.
Hello everybody, welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Frankie and I'm going to be your skipper and tour guide on this 5 exciting day and 10 romantic night. But for the safety, I want to remind you, this is a water line so you may get wet. Please beware your electronic product, for example your mobile phone, and watch your shoulder piece. Also please remember keep your arms, neck and elbow inside the boat, okay? So if you understand, let's start our journey. You can see our right hand side. This is our first attraction and this is the Taisan tree house. The king of the jungle, Taisan, is living here. But I'm so sorry for today, the Taisan tree house is closed because the Taisan not in here today. I wish you next time you come here, the Taisan tree house will be open. And then you can take the ramp on our left hand side on the door to over there. Just remember, don't swim into over there because have many crocodiles are under the river waiting for you. It's really dangerous. But don't worry, that's not our journey. India is the longest river in the world and it's 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I don't have a shortcut. You can see have 2 elephants are waiting for us. It's the mother elephant and baby elephant. She teaching her little one how to use the truck to pay the water. So let's say hello to them. Hello. And then the next one on our right hand side is the brother elephant. He really likes to take a shower, but I think he only under the water too long. You can see he has many wrinkles on his skin. Oh no, it's the father elephant are waiting for us. He is really dangerous because you can see that he are aiming on us. Be careful, he will get us fully wet. Oh no, he's coming up again, be careful. Oh my God. Just eating for us is really lucky. Okay, but don't worry, and then we are incoming to the jungle. In here, the name is the old temple. And then you can see the famous star in here on our left hand side is the big spider. So you can jump over 20 feet, but don't worry because we are just 10 feet away. So if they jump, they will jump over us. Oh no, one more. The big one on our right hand side. Just remember, don't put your hand to touch them, it's really dangerous. Up ahead is the elephant god, and next to him is the king cobra. So king cobra is the most well-known poisonous snake, and they are protecting the elephant god. It's the dangerous animal. Here is one more watching for us on our left hand side, but he looks really scary, so let's keep moving forward. Because the temple, we are entering to the true heart of the jungle. Let's visit the crocodiles. You can see our right hand side. The mouth is really big. I think they're very hungry, so everybody be carefully. But today is really lucky because you can see that the other crocodiles are sleeping, but don't wake them up. Because we call them crocodiles, they will call us the tea time and the dinner. And then up ahead is Taishan Fan Professor Porter and Janet Home. Later they came out here. But today you can see the gorilla. The gorilla, the mental. Oh no, oh no, do you see the gorilla is holding the gun? Don't shoot on us please, I don't want to get hurt. I think they are really unfriendly. But don't worry, here I think we are safe now. Okay everybody, welcome to the Africa. Think you have many special animals. And then we are entering to the more of the dangerous people. They each one around 6,000 pounds. And they can break out more easily, so everybody be carefully. Even more on our left hand side, it looks like really dangerous. Also everybody, please remain seated. We didn't do simple these 5 explorers on our left hand side here. And then you're able to go back your home. It's really good. Everybody hold on tight. We go to the other side. We will have money here. But don't worry, you can see the exit on our front. Just keep going. Oh no. What happened to the exit bottom? They turned to the back. Oh no, we cannot turn to the back. In here is for the bomb for the fire and water. Oh no, it's a fire got awaiting for us. I think we're there. What will we do now? Yeah, but don't worry. We can hear the water from the side. So, please follow me. Okay, don't worry everybody. I think we are safe now. We can see the dog now. Okay, but please here have one more awaiting for us on our left hand side. It's a baby elephant, so let's say goodbye. Bye bye. Okay, and then we can go back now. Okay, thank you so much guys. Let's finish our journey. If you enjoyed this trip, please remember my name is Frankie. I'm your skipper. If you don't have mind, just remember my name is Mary. Okay. Finally, give me the last 3 seconds to start my boat, then you can use the front door and back door to leave. So now 3, 2, 1. Okay, time to stop. Yeah, it's time to say bye bye. Bye.